Kumar. I am currently doing third year PIDS department in South Engineering College. I am going to explain about our project. Our project topic is from recognition to regulation, a multimodal emotion aware music recommendation system. And it is having some categories. And it is the agenda, introduction, problem statements are needed to make a project. And emotion regulation and regulation. Emotion is essentially for reducing stress and preventing depression, but it's required to identify individual emotion and having some challenges. Goal of the project is to regulate emotion by accuracy identifying a personal emotion state and then recommending music to help stability. Uh, and it has some scopes, develop a multimodal emotion regulation and using facial expression first voice analysis, build a simple front-end program using HTML, CSS plus JavaScript and Flask API also interact with the smart project. Core goal is generate mode matching or mode regulating music, recommending using the user person playlist. Then methodology and diagnosis is used to machine learning of poverty of using match stack. First step is data collection, and the second step is data pre-processing, and then next step is emotion recognition, development for model development, web application development. Then emotion detect process include collection facial image and voice recognition for giving the link playlist link to the user. Music recommending process include gather or import user music library or playlist data, extract song feature, so mode, tempo, balance and agency. It has the architecture of our project. User and give the input and face voice using face or voice promotion. Data set is analyzed the using multimodal transform training and if face is expression is based on the user, predict the emotion, recommending the engine and regulate engine, give the playlist new link. This URL diagram, this admin diagram, class diagram, sequence diagram, this the algorithm. Input is camera face emotion or using microphone voice emotion. Process is ML or DM model, combine face plus voice. It gives the emotion plus confidence scores. Output pages, the emotion is matched based on the expression. It will give the music uh, by your playlist. It is the output. It is the front page of uh, user can see the front page. It is the front page of RF and you can choose anyone. Already you have the playlist and you can select it. Otherwise, emotion recognition. Use any one choice for your wish. If you express the face and click on the face expression, otherwise based on device we can click on the voice analysis and click here. If you are clicked in your face, it will be shown the image and you can get the music mode. This is the accuracy of our project, 96.4%. Thank you. It is the conclusion. Multimodal emotion aware music system, face, voice, and text using advanced AI model. We can also able to make using text also for the future. Thank you.